already started like marking stuff up and possibilities that could happen. So this is my first possibility of coming into the 15-minute for value gaps, pushing off, and then possibly coming back down, running this. This is the daily low from Thursday. You got all these lows over here could run. I don't know if it wants to, but it's definitely possible. Then I got this like playing around. It's Friday, so I could play around, act like it's gonna run it, then just push up, take this again, or no, take the high, remain bullish. I don't really care what it do. I'm just gonna react to whatever it show me. It's hella bullish since the end of March, so it ain't like today is the best day to go down. I mean, I don't know what the fuck it wants to do. Dang, I can't be cussing on here from put on YouTube. All right, got this for right up on the hour. It's a lot cleaner, so I could probably use that instead of the 15 minutes. So I don't know what it wants to do, but that's the possibilities. It got this little trend line. If it do run bearish, it's running all that, which I don't know if it will or not. That's 1,000 points to the downside. Too early to tell. I mean, that's more of a next week move anyway. So today, I think it's going to BS. I don't know, but I think it's going to BS. That's what I see. If it breaks up, takes this liquidity, then runs down, I don't care where it runs. Any of that. That's all money. So I'll just let it show me what it want to do. We got news at 10 o'clock today. So that's that. Nothing else to really concern myself with. I marked off a couple levels, see how I react to it. Gold. Gold's retarded. As you see, I feel like it could react off this low ass fair value gap, remain bullish, take liquidity, remain bullish. Got 1, 2, 3. I'll usually come in here in between the third and the second one if it want to stay bullish. It could do what it want to. I don't know. So those is two scenarios. It could just run all this right here and then push back up. Use this as liquidity. That's a possibility. Let's go to the area real quick. So this is yesterday's daily low, and I got the daily high marked off. It's closer to the daily low, so if I want to snag it, it would still make sense to remain bullish, even if it does snag that area. It's hard to tell what it want to do. Gotta wait till 9:30 to see, but I'm not trading gold until Asian session, so I guess no more gold till next week. But I still would like to keep an eye on it and see what it wants to do. last night I did get into a sell right here, and then I got stopped out when it came back up here because I put my stop loss at break even. Since I was micromanaging this trade, open gap, boom, made a new high, took the gap out, low, came back up, took the high, so I'm looking for sales at that point. Why? Because gold likes to run from liquidity to liquidity. It just likes to. And I had a feeling it was going to come back down here anyway, to be honest. So I was just aiming for this area right here initially. That's all I wanted, a little almost 1 to 4. But I got tired and I moved my stop to break even. So I took myself out the trade. So although as soon as I was in profit, actually, I ain't gonna hold you. I went straight into profit, broke the VWAP. So this is all I see at the time. I'm in profit, broke the VWAP. Next candle, boom. I just put my stop at break even. I'm going for these lows. So I felt like even if it did come up, I'd be alright. I was tired anyway. So if I was if I was actually monitoring the trade, then I just micromanage my entry. But if I was monitoring the trade, I would have took partials right here and let it run, or got out completely when it started reversing, because it is overall still bullish. It turned bullish right here. So that's a break and reset. So, it got liquidity right here to grab. Right. That little trend line. That's getting yanked. If it want to remain bullish. Now, if I'm wrong, and if I'm wrong and I want to start going bearish again, it's going to have to run all this right here. If it runs this low, closes below it, and retraces and continues, then I got all these lows here. So either way, I don't care what it do. I'm just going to react to it. But with gold, I don't swing trade anyway. I'm a scalper. So it did what it did. I reacted to it. 30-second chart shows you this right here. Once it broke this little box finally. It wicked under, but it came back in, but it finally broke candles under it. Came back, made an engulfing. That was my entry. And that's why I went for a low-hanging fruit in my ass. But it's still bullshitted before it went there, so I missed out on that, which is okay. I got these lines marked up because it was respecting fair value gap. So if I was awake, I'd have caught little scalps. And for gold, this is decent. Even getting in here, taking that out. You know what I'm saying? 623 to 616, that's good money. The way I trade and my risk management. This little continuation too, but yeah. It just never got there. I still ain't get to my ultimate target, but I'd have still got this one right here, which counts. If I would have just left If I had left my stop loss in a healthy place, that wouldn't affect me. So it's all good. I ain't tripping. And yeah, my stop loss was right here. I felt like it ain't coming past this area. If it comes past this area, this is invalid as a liquidity grab. And this is liquidity. So, whatever. It's all good. And that's it. That's all I got. Take that off replay. Leave. That's all I got. Now I just gotta wait for news at 10 o'clock. And I ain't messing with gold anyway. I was just showing you what I did last night. I'm gonna mess with Nas. It's a lot more volatile in New York session. So I'll see what it do. It could take the daily low. It could take this low right here, which is kind of like a sore thumb on the lower time frame. See, definitely. But I feel like if it takes this low, it's more than likely going to come down here. But it got this fair value gap on the hour. It could respect and remain bullish. So I just gotta wait for price to show me what it want to do. It's nothing to jump into right now. I'll be back after the trading day with an update video.